Oh, hi, this is Blind Man Handyman, and I am cutting the door because the door is too wide and it's a brick mold. So far I've done with the track saw. I've cut down this side.
0 people.
Right to there, that's as far as the track saw will cut, and then I have to cut to there, so I have to finish that with a hand saw. I've cut the aluminum. So what I'm doing over here, I've got the track saw, I'm setting it up again. And we need sometimes instead of using a tape measure, I just use blocks of wood
0 people.
for measurement for me. Works better. So I'm getting a space here now. This thing, I tell you, it's got a sticky bottom to it. It's pretty amazing. Okay. So you can see the vinyl sticks out a little bit more than the aluminum. On this side, it's not as much as the other side, so we're going to move back a little bit there.
0 people.
I think they make the vinyl, the aluminum a little bit less than the aluminum, so it doesn't cut your rubber barrier when you put on the bottom. So I'm using this as a square. I checked it on a square earlier. It's going to be close.
0 people.
You ask why here I am blind doing this. Honestly, I don't trust anybody else. My problem is I've had so much work done since I've been blind. And all I ever hear is, oops, sorry. At least if I fuck up, it's my problem. When someone else fucks up, I'm left with someone else's fuck up. I'll accept
0
it,
people.
But I don't really accept it when other people do it and they're supposed to be the best thing since sliced bread at it. And it's very frustrating. So I do that clamp there as tight as I can. This could move pretty easily, so you gotta be very careful with it. Probably wouldn't make that much of a difference if it's a little bit of whack. But you gotta try to do the best you can.
0
Always
people.
try to do it perfect, and you can deal with the rest. If you try to do it half-assed, then you gotta deal with the rest after. So the track saw is pretty cool. It's a Milwaukee track saw. So okay, this time we're going downwards. That's the right way. Oops.
0 people.
The layer filter thingy. The dust collector. I got a little vacuum I could use, but honestly, it'd be a pain in the butt. So here we go. There's a little button on the back side here. You can twist that. Keeps it from coming out of the track. It'll still come out of the track if you twist it. So here we go. Now I'm going to check my squareness again.
0 people.
Making sure I'm pushing around. Didn't move anything too bad. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. I'm only cutting a little bit down here, so
0 people.
actually I'm gonna curious. I'll do that with two hands a little bit better. So let's move our. So easy as to move. Sugar. Let's tighten up our clamp a little more. I've noticed when it does twist out of whack, if I just twist it back, it's all good. I've done several
0 people.
tests of that. It seems to be all right for what I'm doing. Okay, so here we're gonna cut. Just gonna check that one more time, see if I'm gonna move her up or down a couple times. Oops, look, see the saw just popped out. So then we gotta move press the button. There we go. Now see if I messed anything up.
0 people.
Move it a little bit. Again. As long as I'm like that.
0 people.
Okay. Let's try to be gentle with this thing.
Zero people.
And moving around.
One face near bottom right edge.
Jeepers creeper. It's my own fault. See if that stayed this time. Yeah, it stayed good this time. Seems like as long as I stay, that's gonna be perfect. Oh yeah, up here. Whoa,
Near top right edge.
good catch. Okay. How much that moved? Ooh. I don't like that. Double check this again for 1 second. Everything's still where I want it. Yep, looks good there. That'll remove easy. Maybe that's why it wasn't where I really wanted it. There we go. Now, see if I can't even use another clamp. The saw goes right by it. Maybe I could use a clamp down here to keep it from twisting. I think it gets in the way of the motor, but I'm not sure. Okay.
0 people.
Had someone shingle my house.
0 people.
Done shingling before when I could see, and the roof used to leak so much. The dog used to get a drink by the bed. It's disgusting.
Zero people.
Sorry it's taking so long. For me, it's measure 50 times, cut once. You see what I just did then? Set it all up, and then I just picked myself and beat it up. See if it stayed this time then.
0 people.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's just one hell of a screw up.
Zero people.
Yeah, I've knocked it off. I was thinking of where the problem was. I think that was just sitting on top there. I think the clamp wasn't even on there.
Zero people.
What's your basket, your hanging basket?
Yep. Okay.
Zero people.
The little sticky pad sticks good. Very tight. That's way better. It's not had that clamp on very good. Oh yeah.
Zero
Not
people.
better. That was the problem. I didn't have the clamp on right. Oops. I'm stepping on the dust collector.
Zero people. Zero people.
This time it didn't move. Must have been my clamp.
Zero people. 0 people.
All that for that. The cut was good. Gotta find another clamp. Oh, there's the other one.
0 people.
Yeah, this house was built about 50 years ago. It's almost the same age as me.
Zero people. Zero people.
So this is how I cut this. I hold it against there and I have my little aluminum piece there. Try to keep it on track and hopefully it meets up.
Zero people.
There we go. It's a little bit different, but a palm sander on that and fix it all up.
Zero people.
On this side. And voila.
Zero people.
There's a big palm sander down here somewhere.
Zero people.
So right here I gotta sand a little bit. Pretty good.
Zero people.
There we go. This door's ready to go in, I think. Well, it's all cut and ready to go in. Pull these staples off the bottom.
Zero people.
And I'll sweep that up later anyway. So now we gotta go prepare the door opening. Like take the door out. I gotta see if the boss wants me to do it today or tomorrow.
0 people.
So the track saw is a pretty cool thing. I've enjoyed using it. It's pretty accurate. A lot easier than putting that up on a table saw. We're trying to cut that up with a skill saw. So,
One face near top right edge.
Rian, thanks for watching the Blind Man Handyman, and I'm gonna go see about the door.
Stop recording video.